Hi, welcome to the Staking Geek channel. Today we're going to explore the Tomi project and how they're building an alternative decentralized internet called TomiNet for privacy, anti-censorship, freedom of speech, and the way you can earn crypto by registering a domain and staking the Tomi token. So they're planning on launching this TomiNet, which is a completely different internet that we know today, on May 15, 2024. According to their website, the team's anonymous, but there's around 100 people working on this project. So let's get over here to CoinMarketCap, take a quick look at their token. They launched it in earlier this year, around 32 cents. They peaked out around $5.71 in June, and they're currently at $3, and they're ranked 125th. You can purchase this token at KuCoin, Bitfinex, Swapper on Uniswap, Crypto.com, and various other exchanges. Let's head over here to X, aka Twitter. There's their handle at Tomi Pioneers. You can go check them out. They were recently at Korean Blockchain Week, and they tweeted about it, so you can go take a look at what transpired there. All right, so let's head back over here to their website. We're going to get into their products. We're going to go into their browser briefly, and then we're going to go into these domain names, which you can make money on. tomiPAY is their wallet. Nodes, you can buy a device and set up a node. And we're going to touch on gems. So let's start with browser. So this is a fork of the Brave browser. If you're not familiar with Brave browser, it's the one I use here. You can choose to opt in to receive advertisements, and they will pay you monthly in the form of BAT tokens. Those are the Brave tokens. And over time, you can accumulate. You can buy Amazon gift cards and do various other things with your rewards. So if we scroll down, this TomiNet, once it's launched, is going to use its own advanced decentralized domain name system, tDNS, which we're going to get into, to support the encrypted addresses, and IPFS. IPFS is a protocol for storing and sharing data in a distributed file system. Is built in a decentralized system. So it's going to allow for unblockable websites. And if we scroll down, if you're familiar with the Tor network, they take advantage of onion routing. Basically, it's a technique for anonymous communication over a computer network. Messages are encapsulated in layers of encryption. That's why it's called onion. So it looks like they are taking advantage of a similar infrastructure. All right, so let's head over here to domain name. And you can register a domain, right? Someone's got bitcoin.com, but it's going to be bitcoin.com in the TomiNet, which is a completely different internet that we know today, like I mentioned earlier. So you're going to need to spend $100 in Tomi tokens for the domain. Okay, so you can choose whatever one you want. Let's go to Staking Geek, and I'm assuming that's available. Yes, you can request to register. You're going to need Tomi tokens in your wallet, so you're going to send them over the Ethereum network. So like I said, you can buy them on one of the exchanges and transfer them over to your MetaMask on the Ethereum network. And once they're in there, you're going to need some Ethereum as well, so get some Ethereum in there. For one of these, I paid total gas fees, so you got to pay about $1.50 to get the initial registration, and then you got to pay gas fees around $28 in Ethereum just to get the final registration. It's almost $30 to register, so it's about $130 in total. And once you have that, it'll be put up for auction, and you'll receive 25% of future sales of the domain. So there will be an auction. And the auction, I believe, ends in June of next year. Every new bidder needs to be about 15% higher, and then you'll get a piece of that. And they have a nice video on their website. If we go back to over here, you could scroll down and take a look at their video. But basically, you will get 20% of the price difference and 25% of royalties. And this is lifetime royalties. The rest goes into the treasury. Bidding continues until the end of the auction, which is in June. And you can also participate in the auction. So you'll receive an NFT once you register the domain. And like I said, anytime someone's bidding. So right now, if we click on bitcoin.com, it went from 23 Tomi to 1,000. So you take the difference there, it's 977 difference. That person received, I believe, if my numbers are correct, 25% of that. So they receive that in Tomi token. So if you come over here, you can go under unclaim once you're connected to your wallet, and you'll see some rewards you're receiving for the domain auction. So like I said, you can go over here to Marketplace and take a look. There's McDonald's.com. There's Medium. Look at various other ones, Bike.com. So like I said, it's pretty interesting. And I have a referral link I'll leave in the description. Please use it. Let me connect here. You'll need to sign a message. And if we come over here, there's my referral link. I'll put it in the description. Please use it if you're going to participate in this. All right, so that is the Tomi domain name. So head back to home here. Go back to the... And we're going to just touch on this. This is TomiPAY. You can download a wallet for your Android or Apple, and you can use the wallet for various things. So if we click on nodes, here is the... I guess it's a mini supercomputer. It's currently sold out, but it looks like this would be a node on the network validating transactions on the TomiNet. So I'm assuming they're going to get this back in stock. I reached out to them on Discord. They don't know when they're going to have any left. I don't even know what the price is, but look out for that in the future. And if we click on gems, it looks like this is a content platform for creators that can provide uncensorship content. And you can join the waiting list here if you like. So come and take a look and do some more research. All right, so that's it for the Tomi project currently. Obviously, there's a lot going on in the background. Let's go over here to staking. So if you want to make crypto passive income, you have some Tomi tokens, you want to lock them up for various periods of time, you'll receive, looks like my balance is 31. I was going to buy one more domain, but the price dipped a little bit below the $100, so I'm going to wait till it comes back up, or I might just stake this 31. But it looks like for 6 months, you're going to get APY of 6%, 1 year 10%, 2 years 12%. So you can lock those up and you'll receive rewards. You're going to need to approve this transaction here before you stake your tokens. So fairly straightforward. That's staking the Tomi token. All right, so that's it for this video. I want to thank you for watching. If you want to go support the Tomi project, go check them out. I will continue to research more projects and release content I feel is good. Until next time, take care. See you later.